Good evening, guys. So right now I am running the offline video classes. This is one of the new ways to help you guys expand more knowledge by listening skills and information processing brain. So right here I am having things paragraph first and then comes paragraph later. Right here, let's go. Things very first sentence in a paragraph. Each person need to prepare for myself. No, then whenever you use the word like each, every, you need to understand one thing. After he, she, it, verb s or es. After each, after every, verb s or es. For example, each student needs to do the homework before they submit the homework to the teacher, or each person needs to stay at home in the pandemic because it's very dangerous to go outside. Each teacher needs to prepare for good knowledge before they run the class. So okay, whenever you want to use each in your sentence, each something, each somebody, you need to make sure your verb, your action verb, with s at the end of the word. So right here, each person needs to prepare for myself. No, you are not talking about yourself. You are talking about other people. So don't ever use myself here. So yes, your sentence should be each person needs to prepare for themselves. You are talking about other people. I know that's the word each in Vietnamese. It means many people, but in grammar, in English grammar, the word each, okay, after the word each, we need to use action verb s or es. And the word each, the meaning of the word each is many people, but the grammar of the word each needs to go with action verb with S or ES. So each person needs to prepare for themselves. You think of each, you think of themselves. Or you think of each, you will think of himself or herself in your sentence. So this is the correction of the sentence. Each person needs to prepare for himself or herself. Okay, second sentence in your paragraph, the knowledge about the medicine to protect your family and yourself. This is not a sentence then. This is just a phrase, okay? We do not make phrases in speaking or in writing. Whenever you say something in English or whenever you write something in English, you need to make sure that that is a full sentence, which means subject, verb, object. So right here, about the medicine, the knowledge about the medicine to protect your family and yourself. I think this sentence should be we or they should, okay, everybody needs to get knowledge about the medicine to protect their families or themselves. Okay, right here, when you write in English, okay, you want to talk about everybody, you want to talk about other people, please try to use the word they, not you and I, or you and I, okay, no, nothing like this. So please be careful for the next sentence of yours. You write, okay, this is what you write in your paragraph. The knowledge about the medicine to protect your family and yourself. This is not a sentence. Then, because we don't have an action verb here, we don't have an object here, we don't know what is the subject here. So how to turn this one into a sentence? So this is my suggestion for you to fix your okay, the paragraph. The knowledge, okay, now everybody needs to gain knowledge about the medicine to protect their families and themselves. Next sentence. I know of the method to protect myself in the epidemic period. Like as very good sentence, but very wrong word, which is like as. Then we don't have like as, we have such as. And after such as, you are going to give nouns. Okay, example, noun number one, example, noun number two, example, noun number three. For example, okay, for example, I have I I have many favorite colors, such as white, yellow, orange, blue, yeah, something like this. Or I have many favorite colors, like blue, yellow, and white. So you can use the word like, okay, or you can use the word such as. We don't have the word like a said, we only have the word like or such as. So your third sentence right here, I know of the method to protect myself in the epidemic period, such as wearing mask. After such as, you need to give noun. You cannot give action verb like this. Wearing masks. Vitamin C supplements, you should say that taking vitamin C supplement, okay? Taking antipyretics and no limit contact, okay? So right here, we use the word take for medicine. When we feel sick or when we feel ill, we need to take medicine. We need to take pills. Don't say that drink medicine, don't say drink pills. Okay, we don't use drink for medicines and pills in English. We only use take for medicines, take for pills. So you should say something like when I am sick, or when I feel sick, when I am ill, or when I feel ill. I need to go to the pharmacy to buy some drugs, medicine or pills. And when I get home, I need to get myself a glass of water and take the medicines, something like this. Please remember the word take for medicine. So in your paragraph, this should say that take vitamin C supplement, take antipyretics, and limit contact. I understand I understand the meaning of yours. You want to say that don't get closer to anybody. We should keep the distance 1 meter, okay, distance, or 2 meters distance, okay, between each other. So here, no limit contacts, okay. So you should add the word no here. Okay, next, you need to study or find information in YouTube. Okay, then and one, information is an uncountable noun in English. You cannot count information. You cannot say that informations. That is the reason why we need to use a lot of, or much, or lots of for the word information. If we want to say that something, okay, we have many things, many sources of information, many pieces of information. If you want to count information, you need to use piece of information or source of information. I can say something like, I need to get 3 sources of information today. I need to have many pieces of information from my staff, from my friends, for example. So please try to add piece of or source of information whenever you write with the word information. Information is an uncountable noun in English. You cannot count. So you know S at the end of the word information. And you need to study or find information on YouTube, on Facebook, on Zalo, on Skype, not on Skype, not Skype, on Skype, on Facebook, on Zalo, on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok. We use the word on for social network. Then on for social network, on the internet, on the television, on the radio. Nobody is used in. Okay, please remember this one. So you need to study and find information on YouTube, or you need to study and find lots of sources of information on YouTube. So right here, don't use the word or in affirmative sentence. What is affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentence, it means that a normal sentence, not a not sentence. We have two kinds of sentence. We have two kinds of sentences in English. The first one, normal sentence, which is affirmative sentence, and the second one, that is negative sentence, which is not sentence. I can say something like this: I receive lots of, I receive lots of information from my friends. That is affirmative sentence. Negative sentence: I don't receive any information from my friends. So please remember something like this. And for affirmative sentence, or for negative or questions in English. For example, I don't like her or him at all, or I don't like to see her or him in the meeting. So you use or for not sentences, or for questions you use and for normal sentences. I don't like blue or white is not I don't like blue and white. That is wrong English. That is Asian English, not American English. So if you want to speak accurate, all right, accurate, correct English, you need to say that I like, okay, and for affirmative sentences, or for negative or questions in English. Okay, so next one, and check, okay, you need to study or find information on YouTube and check regular health examinations each month. Check, you need to check your health. Check is an action verb in English, very good here, but you already used the word examination. Then you say health examinations. Examinations, the same as the word check already. Check is an action verb in English. Check is a noun in English. So if you already use the word examination, it has the same meaning as the word check already. So here your sentence should be, and take regular health examinations, or have regular health examinations, or have regular health check. Okay, don't use check, check, with health examinations, because the word examination is the same as the word check. And check here, okay, a noun in English. Yeah, check examination. Check, Take, check health examinations, not check health examinations. Please remember, this is in difficult times. This is in difficult times. No, no, don't say that. You should say, this is a difficult time. In difficult times, you can say that I am having an English class in difficult times, is okay. Or I am running the business in difficult times, is okay. But we don't say that, what we don't say, this is in difficult times. It's not right. Okay, you do something in difficult times. Something happens in difficult times, not something is, okay, this is in difficult time. No, this is what, this is what, okay, this is who, this is me, this is pandemic, this is a difficult time for everybody, okay, not this is in difficult time. You do something in difficult time, something happens in difficult times. But if you use the word this is or that is, you need to be specific. What is this, what is that? Okay, this is a class in my house, for example, not this is in the past. No, okay. Okay, next, many companies have to go bankrupt. Very good. Bankrupt, okay, is an action verb in English. We have a noun in English, which is bankruptcy. And this is my situation for bankrupt and bankruptcy. Okay, my friend will go bankrupt if she doesn't have enough money to, okay, to keep the business of the company going on in the pandemic. Or you can say that the company's bankruptcy is going to occur if if the boss of the company doesn't have enough money to operate the business of the company in the pandemic. So somebody or something go bankrupt. And bankruptcy is the situation of going bankrupt. You can say that she goes bankrupt because she has no money, okay, to keep the business of the company, or her company's bankruptcy makes everybody surprised in the pandemic, for example. So bankruptcy is the name for the situation when you or somebody go bankrupt. Yeah, please remember bankruptcy, because it can pause operation to fight the epidemic. Because then you need to remember something. Because you can only use the word because when you want to combine two sentences together. It okay, it rains very heavily because the weather is hot these days. Or I cannot go to my school because it rains heavily outside. I can't have dinner right now because I haven't finished working yet. So you can use the word like because to combine two sentences together. Okay, you can use the word like because to combine two sentences together, not one sentence like this in your paragraph, because it can't cause operation to fight the epidemic. It's what is it? You need to be more specific in the way you write. It's here for company, or it's here for store, or it's here for a shop. Okay, the company can't pass the operation. The company can't continue to work, or the company can't operate, or the company can't operate its business to fight the epidemic. We don't use pause here. Okay, then so right now this is a new way for us to study English. It's like we need to make offline videos in order for you guys to boost your listening skills, and in order for you guys to get the keywords from listening, we need to enhance your grammar from listening. We need to improve your not your vocabulary from listening. So after this video, this is the very first video for them, and Ton's video is later. So Tin and Ton, after watching the very first video, I need you guys to rewrite the paragraph again. This paragraph is Tin's paragraph, and you need to rewrite the paragraphs of Tin again. Make sure your make sure the correction is correct. Okay, so try to rewrite the paragraph. And after this video, first of all, I need you to rewrite things paragraph. Thing, you need to rewrite your paragraph. One, you need to rewrite things paragraph into the right one. Second exercise, every word, every new vocabulary or word family that you hear from a video, you need to write another paragraph. Okay, for for making use of the new vocabularies in my video. In my video, I have shown you many ways to use vocabularies, to use the words in things paragraph. So you need to write a new paragraph to make use of all the vocabularies, all the English words already delivered in this video. So in general, two kinds of exercises for you to do after you watch this video. First exercise, rewrite things paragraph. Don't rewrite thing paragraph. Then you need to rewrite your paragraph. Second exercise, you need to get all the key words, the vocabularies, the grammar, the structure that I have presented to you in this video. Make use of the structures that I have already presented to you in this video. Write a new paragraph of 150 words. Okay, for me, that is my requirement. So this is the first video for correcting things, things paragraph. And right now I'm going to make another video. Okay, this is the new way to study English. So this is called offline video classes. And we are going to divide the week into 50% offline video classes and 50% online video classes. So right now, today we run the offline classes. The deadline for paragraph writing is before 6 p.m. So watch the video carefully, get the knowledge accurately, and complete the two exercises in this video. So right now I'm going to make another video and send it to you after this one.